everyone, today I'm excited to show you this amazing pet vacuum cleaner brought to you by techTongBo. If you are a pet owner who's tired of dealing with shedding, cleaning up fur, or struggling to keep your pet well groomed, this vacuum could be exactly what you need. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to move around. You won't feel tired carrying it, and it's perfect for quick cleanups. It also comes with a flexible hose and some specially designed brush attachments, all tailored to make pet cleaning and grooming as effortless as possible. One of the best features is how quiet it is. We all know pets can get startled by loud noises, but with its low noise technology, this vacuum is super pet friendly. Not only that, it also has a strong suction at the same time of low noise, up to 12 kilopascal. Whether it's fur on the floor, furniture, or even your clothes, this vacuum gets the job done effortlessly. It's also equipped with a dual filtration system which traps hair and dust completely, so the air that comes out is fresh and clean, healthier for you and your pets. Now let me introduce these brush heads. They are very useful. The static brush removes pet hair from sofas, curtains, and carpets without damaging the fabric. The electric clipper is safe and easy, perfect for trimming paw or body fur. The 2-in-1 hairbrush handles daily grooming, brush fur while removing loose hair. The shedding comb is a must during shedding season, catching loose fur and keep your home tidy. And the massage brush, it not only cleans but gives your pet a relaxing spa-like massage. I believe that after so many introductions, you have a basic understanding of our products. I hope our pet vacuum cleaner can help you. Of course, you can also contact us if you need other cleaning products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.